What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we're gonna do a real quick project. I'm gonna take this, put it into here. All right, let's get it. I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to the interior of this car, this is literally an eyesore. This is probably like one of the worst thing you could see. I mean, it just looks so weird for a sports car. I shouldn't really have this. I mean, they updated it in the B8.5, but unfortunately for the B8 owners, they gotta deal with this. But no worries, because we're gonna install with a new shifter. This should be straightforward and easy, so let's get down to it. All right, guys, let's get this over with. So we're gonna use this and insert it right here, just like that. Just to let you guys know, I already put Loctite on all the threads, including the one on the top. So if you have a Loctite, it's highly recommended. So once you put it here, you want to make sure this thread right here aligns through this hole. All right, let's do that. You always use the Allen key. What they're usually gonna give you one to provide it with one for you to use, and go ahead and thread it through. Once we got that threaded all the way through, so it's gonna be all the way across. I don't know if you can see from the top. It's threaded all the way across through the gap. Once that is done, you can adjust the height of the shifter wherever you like. We're just gonna have it pretty much right here, snugged in. We're gonna snug each side, and we're gonna see where it lines up afterwards. All right, so we finally got it on. So it works pretty well. Awesome. So what I did, I had to tighten the rear and the front Allen. I had to tighten those, and just don't even have to really tighten this one too much. I kind of snug it in just enough, but this is just to hold the base here. This is just kind of alignment for the shifter itself, for the shaft. So yeah, almost done, guys. Now all you have to do is put the boot on with the new shift knob, and we're done. All right, guys, now we need to just turn this thing inside out like I did, and insert it through the shaft like so. It's kind of hard with one hand. Make sure that the boot is aligned with the whole component, so when you go straight down, it won't be twisted or anything. It can just be a quick fit. And all we have to do now, get a zip tie and lock it in. All right, let's get that done. Okay, guys, so it's over. It's done. Nice. Feels way better. I like the feel of this car. I cannot complain. I'll leave a link down below if you have any interest of getting one of these. My opinion, I like them. They're pretty good. And on that note, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Nice. Feels good, feels good.